Most people get this wrong. They assume all flight booking platforms are the same. But the surprising truth about Apodo is that it offers unique tools and deals that can make a real difference if you know how to use them. Apodo is an online travel agency that lets you book flights, hotels, car rentals, and even vacation packages all in one place. One of the standout features is its search engine, which aggregates prices from multiple airlines and sometimes finds options that aren't easily visible elsewhere. During my usage experience, I noticed that Apodo frequently shows flexible date options, so you can see cheaper fares if you shift your travel by a day or two. The platform also offers Apodo Rewards, which gives points on bookings that can be redeemed for future flights or hotels. While the savings aren't massive, for frequent travelers they can add up over time. Another convenience is the ability to bundle flights and hotels together, which sometimes results in discounted rates compared to booking separately. However, there are some things to keep in mind. Booking through Apodo sometimes involves third-party airlines or payment processors, which can make changes or cancellations a bit trickier. Fees vary depending on the airline, so always check the total cost before confirming. Customer service is available via chat and email, but it can be slow during peak travel periods. The surprising truth about Apodo is that it's not just a price comparison tool, it's a full-service platform with loyalty perks, flexible search options, and package deals. It's best used by travelers who like to compare multiple options quickly and are comfortable reading the fine print on fees and policies. In conclusion, if you value convenience, rewards points, and flexible searching, Apodo can be a solid choice for booking flights and travel packages. Just be mindful of potential third-party fees and confirm airline policies before you book. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews to help you save time and money on your next trip.